Oh, SO3. I will go for SO3. So let's go, guys. Come with me and let's order to the counter. SO3. Okay, SO3. Yeah, milk tea, the drinks.
Thank you.
Yeah, and this is one. No, take away. Oppo card.
Guys, good morning! Good morning! Guys, nandito po ako ngayon sa labas at sobrang napakalakas ng ulan. Dahil today is, ang sabi daw is red rain. Kaso inutusan ako ni Lola dito sa labas. Alam niyo ba na dito sa Hong Kong, kapag nagsisignal yung weather na red rain, wala silang work, walang school. Ay, may work ba? Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know. But yun ang na-remember ko. Pag may klase, walang school kapag red rain. And wala rin nga pong trabaho. Ay, hindi, yung thunderstorm talaga. Thunderstorm. Pag bagyo talaga is wala. Lalo na pag mag-signal 8, yun. Pag typhoon 8 dito, walang trabaho. Charot. Kaya stay ang mga amo. Pero ewan ko kung red rain. Tingnan nyo guys, sure ako na kapag red rain, walang school. Kung may school yung mga bata. Kaya sobrang lakas ng ulan. Wait, tuto ko dun sa ano. Oh, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Parang babaha na yung mga daanan. Oh my gosh! At ang liit-liit pa ng aking umbrella. Ayan oh, tingnan nyo yung tubig. Pero labas pa rin tayo, syempre, dahil inutusan tayo ng aking amo na gusto niya kumain ng breakfast. Ayan din o, lumalabas sila ng mga kababayan natin. So, compared nyo sa walang ulan na ganito, red rain, maraming tao lumalabas. Pero ngayon, hindi masyado. Ayan o. Kasi nga, dahil napakalakas ng ulan. Basa na nga ako eh. Oh my gosh! Pero, ayan, nagsipagbukasan pa rin yung mga ulan lang naman to eh. Hindi naman to bagyo, charo. Napaka-OA ni Inday. Guys, kaya pala ako lumabas dito kasi bibilhan ko raw si Lola ng breakfast niya. Gusto daw niya kumain ng kung kailan napakasama ng weather. Doon pa tayo utusan. At ay, syempre, wala tayong magawa. Sunod. My gosh! I'm so wet! Napaka-uwi mo guys. Nandito guys, nandito na pala ako sa Fairwood at ibili ko si Lola ng kanyang breakfast. Ayan. Tapos guys, napakabasa ng floor dito. Syempre, pipilian ko si Lola dito ng kanyang pang breakfast. Oh my gosh. Ang basa-basa ng wet. Ay, dito pala. At syempre, magsipaglabasan yung umbrella dryer. Dahil kapag ganitong weather, noon guys, plastic bag nilalagay nila dito sa may bungad ng mga pintuan. Pero sa yan, pili na tayo. Ano yung pwedeng kainin ni Lola? Alam ko na kung ano yung kakainin ni Lola. Maybe I will choose this one and I will choose for her the macaron set. Yeah, that's one. That would be good. I think so. That would be good for Lola. Yeah, I think that's the best one for her. Or maybe I can choose the croissant because she likes croissant. Oh, this one is maple croissant. I will scrambled egg, baked beans in tomato sauce. But maybe she doesn't like the tomatoes. Oh, this one is 39. But I think it's too much if I will buy the $39. Maybe I will go for it. I will go for this one because this one is 34. I will go for SO3. So SO3 because this one is macaroni. So I will go for this sliced sausage with macaroni and tomato soup. SO3. SO3, so I will go for that and I will choose the because this one is together included. Yeah, and then so you know we have so many here. So let's go. We're gonna order now. This is SO3. Pre-upgrade other choices available. So SO3, SO3, and milk tea. So that's all.
So maybe I will choose for that. Because I told Lola, if you want macaroni, then I will choose ham with macaroni in soup. This one is Thai sausage in with macaroni in tomato soup. Oh my gosh, I don't know what will I choose for her. This is shredded pork and preserved vegetable with rice vermicelli and ham with macaroni and soup. Oh, maybe I think this one is much better. But I think she liked this one also. This one is shredded pork, preserved vegetable with rice vermicelli in soup. Oh, oh, SO3. I will go for SO3. So let's go, guys. Come with me and let's order to the counter. SO3. Okay, SO3. Yeah, milk tea, the drinks.
Take it.
Yeah, and this is one. No, take away.
Take away.
Popo card. Source the money.
28.9.
SO.
Because you use this card. And after
Ah, ah, 28.9. Have discount already. SO3 is one set, yeah, with bread, egg,
yeah,
and
the macaroni.
macaroni.
Drink.
Yes, milk tea, please. Okay. Can I have receipt also?
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, yun na pala bayaran ko is 28.9. So, let's proceed to another counter for the food counter where we can pick up our food order. Charot. English word. Joke guys, trip ko lang. So, I will check first my change. So, I don't know why it's 20. I'm afraid if she gave me the wrong one, that's why I asked her again about my order. So my number is 1129 and now I am sitting here and I'm going to wait my order. There you can see that. Yan, yan. Yan yung mga service crew. So then, let's see. So this is my receipt. So actually this is 34. Oh, I see today they have a big discount for elderly. I see. So, oh my god. I thought that I have only $3 discount, but it seems like it's more than $3 because the original price is 34 and then my change oh the amount that I need to pay is 28.9. So is that 34 minus 28.9. So I think the less 5.10. Bugo ang math. No, it's 4.10. I think so. So guys, I don't know. Help me to calculate because really my brain is not working right now. Not working right because of the weather. I think that's why. Because the weather is cold now. It's not really cold, but so wet outside and have heavy rain. And then here inside the Fairwood is so cool. You know, you see, I will show you guys. You'll see people eating here like that, and then mostly you can see it's old people. Charot. So guys, I think I saw already my order. I think that's my order. I don't think so. That's my order. No, because it has to order. So let's wait for my order. So my number is 1129, and let's see the screen. The screen is not yet ready, so we have to wait. See my haggard face. Ito na yung number natin. So, ang kitab-kitab ng face natin. Guys, ang basa ng buhok ko. Promise. Kasi nga nabasa tayo dun sa labas. Sobrang ulan. So, yun. Basa ang inday. At saka, guys, nag-shine-shine yung face ko. Ayan. Without filter yan. Mukha. Guys, yun. Dami ng mga pula pa dito. Bakit nangyayari? Daming mga lunal. Ewan ko ba? Low filter. Yung lunal ko guys, yung mata ko maitim na. Bilawag mo. Hindi naman ako nagbibilaan. Hindi naman ako kagabi matagal ako matulog kasi nagplancha ako pahapon. Pinalansya ko yung bedsheet kasi today is Saturday and I have to change the beddings of Lola every Saturday. So guys, my God. Parang lang akong baliw, guys. Sorry, naging madaldal tayo kasi nga naman, di ba? As what I've always said na dito lang talaga ako sa labas magdadaldal. Kasi nga dun sa loob ng bahay, bawal ng phone, bawal ako magsagot ng calls. Actually, kahit bawal naman yung phone, guys, nakakadudod pa naman ako kasi nga, syempre, babantayan ko lang kung papasok si Lola sa kwarto. So, that's the time na magdudod ako, no? Dayain na yung trabaho natin. Dalawa lang kami sa bahay. Syempre, marami kong katrabaho Lola. So guys, update to my order. I'm still waiting here, and my number didn't appear yet. Didn't appear yet to the screen. So alright guys, I got my order and I have to go back home. Guys, naputol yung video natin kasi na out of storage na tayo. Nagdilig-dilig muna tayo. Guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. Dito na ako sa lungga. At ayan, basang-basa ako guys. Grabe yung ulan. So alright guys, kailangan ko nang i-end yung video ko at pakapakainin ko na ang lola ko. Ito po yung order niya. Alright, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again for our next video. Bye!